Good evening everybody, it's Mick from Chester Bushcraft. It's day 8, we're into the second week. And look who's with me. She's back. So yeah, we're out once again. Quick camera update from last night, nothing. So, despite what I said yesterday, we've come back to the original spot and we thought, that's where we saw the fox. That's where, if anywhere, we're going to see the fox. So we've set the camera up again on a different tree and we've put some bait out this time. I've been reading up on the foxes and they do like berries apparently. The nearest thing I've got is grapes and sultanas. So put some of them in front of the camera, so we'll see if that attracts them in any way. So yeah, so we've just set the camera and now we're just going to do our usual walk down the just going to do our usual walk down the bridleway. Nice little bracket fungi there, just forming. That's a great example, that one. Right, Eden, what's this one here?
King Arthur's cake or crab balls.
Very good. There you go. What can you use that for?
I don't know. Burning things.
Oh, nearly. Yeah, I'll give you that. Fire lighting. Brill. Just break them off. It's got to be really dry and you can put a spark on it. Well, we've just revisited one of the first camera locations and you can see there somebody's been quite busy building something. Not quite sure what that is. It's not much of a den. I don't know what's been going on there. They do well to build that during their daily exercise. That's where our camera was, over there. But we have brought the we've brought an animal track info card out today that hopefully we can use to maybe spot a few things. So we're just going to have a look in some of that mud over there, see if we can see any fox tracks or down there. So just an example, it's got a really good print there in the mud. It's quite deep. You can see there the pad that sort of does that little lump like that, and then you've got the 4 toes, and you can see with the one with the fox you can put a cross through like that, whereas with this one it's you can't put straight lines to make a cross, and that's the same as what that is. So there you go, dog print. One thing I realised today is how lucky we've been with the weather since we've been in lockdown. No, it hasn't rained at all since we've been doing these videos. Like, we're in the 8th video now and we've been out every night and we've not had any rain. I've been getting up in the morning to collect the camera, still no rain. So yeah, I've been really lucky. Probably chuck it down tonight. Now, I must apologise for the late upload of last night's video. I had a few technical issues, but it wasn't anything to do with my camera, it wasn't anything to do with my PC, it was my TV that I use as a monitor. My lad had been doing his own work, his school work, and he'd pressed something on the telly and it had put it into some really strange mode. And I just couldn't get out of it. For the life of me, I couldn't work it out. So I spent about half an hour on YouTube and various forums trying to work out how to take this demo mode off my TV. Well, I got there in the end, so that's why the upload was late. But it's on there now. So hopefully you've watched that, and hopefully you've enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll enjoy tonight's video as well. So we found 2 nice examples of fungi tonight. I've never seen that bracket fungi. I'm surprised I've never spotted it before because I walk past there quite often. I've never really noticed it. So that was a nice one to spot. And of course the Old Faithful, the King Arthur's cake. King Alfred's cake, not King Arthur. You've just got something completely different. 2 nights running now and no sunset. What's going on? So I'd be interested to know what you guys are getting up to in your lockdown situations. Obviously you've got to get out for a bit of exercise on a daily basis. So what do you do? Do you go out in the woods, or just have you got a walk nearby, or something completely different? Keep it clean though. Yeah, so leave a comment down below and let us know what you've been getting up to. Got a few more questions in today, so that's good. Getting quite a few now. So I think we'll just do a few more days and then we'll go through all the questions. Don't know if you can see that there. There's a little robin there. Just sat. He was making a really funny noise. I wonder what it was at first. It's got a very red breast, that robin, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
If I can get any closer. I've got my flashlight. Oh, there it goes. There now. Just about to jump in the bath. Right, so that's day 8 done. Lockdown day 8. Set the camera again, and my HUD's all wonky again. I must sort myself out before I put myself on camera. I don't have the owl from last night. It's now over here again. It's a lot louder tonight. So yeah, we're just heading back now. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. You know the script by now. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the icon there or the one down here, and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on
Another video. Day 9.
another video, which will be day 9. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.